Are we filming? It's been a little while. Business is booming. If you're wanting to start a balloon garland business, start now. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Celia and in this video I'm going to tell you why now is the best time to be starting a balloon garland business.
Things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell.
As I said, my name is Celia and I started my event decorating balloon garland business over 5 years ago. And although from March 2020 till February 2022 was a bit rough, we still came out on top and our business is booming bigger than it ever has before. If you've been thinking about starting a balloon garland business, or maybe you're just wanting to learn how to make balloon garlands, maybe this is a sign that this video is for you. So I thought I would start by giving you a little bit of background to me, how I started my business, but if you do want more information on that, I will put some videos on the screen now and I'll also link them below so you can go and check them out after you've watched this video. Okay, so a quick run through of who I am, what I've done, and my balloon garland business. So 5 years ago, I started my event decorating balloon garland business, which I thought would just be, you know, a few little things on a weekend, maybe a Saturday morning, and that'd be it. I was very wrong. Now, during this time when I started the business, I was also working full time and I had another business that I did after hours most weeknights. So weekends were specifically when I did my balloon garland business and it took off. Timeline wise, I started at the end of, I think, 2017, 2018, 2019 were flat out. End of 2019, I finished up at my full-time job, and then 2020 was going to be my big year of running my balloon garland business plus my other side hustles as my main means of income. Now, as we would all know, 2020 just didn't go to plan, and where I live in Australia, 2021 also didn't go to plan. In my home state of Victoria, we were in and out of lockdowns, we were in isolation. It was, looking back on it, it's actually kind of crazy what happened, but I will be forever grateful for this time because it allowed me to grow my business whilst everything was quiet. And to be honest, I would be lying if I said there wasn't times where I really was unsure if we would come out of it. But I can say now, in July 2022, we are the busiest we have ever been. The last 5 months specifically have been some of our busiest weekends we have ever had in our business. We've had weekends where we've had to stop taking on new orders because we don't have the manpower to fulfill the orders. And we're doing 8 to 10 hour days on a Saturday just to get everything done. Another key thing that's happened in the business that was happening pre-pandemic that is happening again now, which I really wasn't sure if it ever would, is people are booking 3 to 6 months in advance to book in their event structures, their balloon garlands, everything to make sure that they can have us do their events. And that is a big indicator that business has returned to business as usual, I guess, because where I live during the whole pandemic thing, in and out of lockdowns, no one was booking anything in advance because no one knew if we'd actually be able to go ahead. So yeah, after those crazy 2 years, business is back, busier than ever. And that's another reason I haven't been back on YouTube, because I just haven't had the time. Before we continue, I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite installs from the last 6 months. I'm gonna include some time lapses of me installing, and I'm gonna include some pics as well. Let me know in the comments what you think, and then we'll get back into it very soon.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you. And you know that I'm yours, alright. You can tell by the look in my eyes. Don't wanna play
as you can see, we have had a crazy 5 months in the business. It has been absolutely flat out. My weekends have been full of balloon garland installs, and I am just so grateful that we pushed through and that we're here now. And although it was really tough and there was a lot of unknown, we pushed through, and yeah, business is back. Bigger than ever, baby. Now, if you're wanting to start a balloon garland business, or you've ever wanted to learn the skill of making balloon garlands, keep watching. Currently, I have a balloon garland business course which shows you everything you need to know to start a profitable balloon garland business. However, that course is $350 US. It is on sale at the moment for 50% off. But I'm also bringing out a balloon garland short course. Now, this short course is going to teach you all of the basics you need to know to make a balloon garland. This course is launching on July 18th. There is a waitlist below in the description, and if you're thinking of starting, maybe this is the best option for you. This course is significantly cheaper, and upon launch, we're going to be having 50% off as well, so make sure that you'll sign up to the waitlist below. Another video that I'm going to upload later this week is a pros and cons list to starting a balloon garland business. I did post one over a year ago, but I thought I would do an updated one because now that business is booming again, things have completely changed. I also have a heap of new balloon business videos coming out, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And if you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below because I'll make sure to get back to them. I'm gonna wrap this video up here, but in summary, business is booming. If you're wanting to start a balloon garland business, start now. As you would have seen throughout the last 2 years, a lot of people have missed out on events. They haven't been able to celebrate with family and friends. And now that we're coming out of it and we're seeing the other side of things, everyone is celebrating events. People are celebrating events that they wouldn't usually celebrate. For example, 22nd birthday parties. We have done so many 22nd birthday parties because everyone that had their 21sts haven't been able to have them. So they're making the most of every birthday. Now is the best time to getting into starting a balloon garland business because everybody wants to be celebrating. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you.